Thank you for watching this Tech to Connect video tutorial. The topic of this tutorial is Siri. We will go over how to set up Siri, how to use it, and commands. So we're going to open up our iPad, and we're going to go into Settings, and we're going into Siri and Search. And as you can see, there are a few ways that we can have Siri. Right now we have the press home for Siri and allow Siri when the iPad is locked. We're going to set up for Hey Siri with our voice. Hey Siri. Hey Siri, send a message. Hey Siri, how's the weather today? Hey Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, play some music. And now our Siri is ready and it works with the iPad is connected to power. So we're going to try this. Hey Siri, set an alarm for 7 a.m.
Okay, it's on.
So that's one example for using Siri. Hey Siri, what is today?
It's Monday, October 19th, 2020.
And we'll ask her one more question. Hey Siri, what is in spaghetti?
Okay, I found this on the web for what is in spaghetti.
So
Check it out.
So as you can see, she will come up with websites for you to use if you have a question for Google. Now there's another way you can use Siri, and it's by holding down the home button on your iPad. What is today?
It's Monday, October 19th, 2020.
So you can either say, Hey Siri, or press the home button when using Siri. Thanks for tuning in. To make sure to check out the other Tech to Connect video tutorials on the Tech to Connect website.